Hello listeners, hello video viewers. Welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 18 is bedroom vocabulary. Air conditioner, bed, cot or crib, bunk bed, mattress, blanket, pillow, sheet, sofa bed, cushion, bedside table, table lamp, light bulb, socket, plug, alarm clock, wardrobe, pajamas, henna, bookcase, headstand or clothes tree, curtain, carpet, wallpaper, telephone, television, fan, armchair, chest of drawers, heater. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and see you next lesson.